We begin at the Presidential Election Petitions Tribunal holding in Abuja, where the court has refused to take the appearance of the Labour Party as two factions of the party were present in court. And before the commencement of proceedings, both factions were seen in an exchange of words over the authenticity. The Lamidi Apapa-led faction of the Labour Party questioned why members loyal to Julius Abure are in court. They insist that a ruling of the FCT High Court suspending the Abure-led faction remains in force, and they have no business being at the tribunal today. The Presidential Election Petitions Court had adjourned till 17th May for further pre-hearing on the petition filed by the Labour Party and its presidential candidate, Peter Obi. Counsel to Labour Party and its presidential candidate told the court that INEC is yet to give them over 70% of the documents they requested. Counsel to the president-elect, however, disagreed with the submission, as the order of the court at the last adjourned date was for parties to cooperate and narrow down issues.
When the matter was called today, Peter Obi was in court. He made appearance for the petitioner, and that of the Labour Party, Mr. Lamidi, stood up, and also the national women leader of the party also stood up. So both tried to make appearances for Labour Party before the court today, and the chairman of the panel said that if two persons are trying to make appearances for Labour Party, none of them will be put on record. And the business of today was for the counsel of the Labour Party to brief the court as to the progress they have made, because at the last adjourned date, the tribunal had told parties that they should come together, set up a team, and narrow out or streamline the evidences and documents which they sought to tender and their issues for determination before the court, so that when proper hearing commences, it will be a free flow of events. However, counsel to the Labour Party, Mr. Levi, told the tribunal today that they did not make any substantial progress because 70% of the documents they have sought to get from INEC hasn't been given to them, documents being from EC8A, from Rivers State, and also from Sokoto State. So they were not able to make any progress as to the meeting that was supposed to hold on Monday and yesterday being Tuesday. However, INEC, responding to the submission of Mr. Levi, opposed to what he said. He noted that the document from Sokoto, which Mr. Levi and his clients are seeking, that is ready, but they were asked to pay the sum of 1.5 million naira as legal fee charged by the legal department of the INEC commission in Sokoto State, which they refused to pay. And the documents of Rivers State, some documents were given to them, but they insisted that if all documents are not brought in, they would not collect any documents at all.